Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to secure the best methods with the best tricks your Facebook account. So first thing that you need to do, I just this fresh account, you will go for settings, then you will go for the settings panel. Here guys you will just go for see more. Here you will go for the password and security, and here it all starts here. So all what you need to do is just you need to activate two-factor authentication. Here you just get the password, it's this one. So the thing is like even it is SMS with WhatsApp or security keys like with USB, or you will just use authentication app like Google authentication, like the Microsoft authentication. It can be doable as well. And then I will just get continue, and then I will scan that with my application. And then you will get a code or just copy key, you post it for your mobile, and you'll just press next, enter the code that it is your authentication, and that's it. You activate for the two factor authentication. You can add also a passkey which is skipping your password and so on. It can be useful for your account. So guys, I advise to add that. I will cancel. And now you'll go for personal details. Here you can identify confirmation, confirm your identity, upload your ID, upload your passport, add your phone number, and so on. So if you add phone number to authentication, if your account is activated and confirmed with identity, it's gonna be great for you guys. You can add a backup phone number again, and that's it. You are fully secured as Facebook account. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel and like and share.